Start with the name of Allah who is most beneficent and the most merciful. My name is Gasila and my ARID number is 19 ARID 4805 and I am student of horticulture in BS Honors Agriculture second semester and my professor's name is Dr. Tanveer Hussain. Today the topic of our discussion is basic information regarding commercial production of winter vegetables. There are generally three types of production: production for fresh market, production for processing, and production for seed. In production for fresh market, the aim of this kind of production is to ensure the availability of fresh food to the consumers. In production for processing, the food is preserved for better use in future. And in production for seed, the only aim of this kind of production is to gain pure seed. Basically, the major winter vegetables are cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, pea, radish, carrot, fenugreek, garlic, beet, potato, and onion. General production technology. The aim of general production technology is the availability of desired food to the consumers. The process of cultivation of all the winter vegetables is same because they have same requirements. Some factors that affect the production and the quality of food or the vegetable we are growing, majorly they are climatic factors. So climate involves temperature, moisture, daylight and wind conditions. In temperature, the temperature requirement for different crop is different, and the optimum temperature, there is a term optimum temperature. The optimum temperature for a crop is the temperature at which that crop grows at its best, and the minimum temperature is the least temperature at which a crop can grow. In moisture, when the moisture availability is necessary for the better production of vegetables because it provides all the water required for irrigation. Otherwise, we have to irrigate the field to provide the water for the better production of vegetables. In the site selection, it is an important process. For an ideal site, following points should be kept in mind. The place should be near the market, the place should be level, and the road to the market should be easy. And in seed selection, seed is selected on the basis of per acre seed requirement. In fertilizer application, fertilizer should be applied before plantation for better use of the nutrients by the vegetable. In growth and harvesting, after cultivation, proper care of the plant should be taken for the better growth of the plant. And after the crop gets matured, it is harvested. In market, after the vegetables grown for the fresh food market are matured, they are harvested and they are sent to the nearest market to all the customers to ensure the availability of desired food to the customers. Well, thank you. That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video.